Hello guys, welcome. Today we will discuss how to write writing task 2, agree or disagree. Also, this question came in the IELTS test recently. So, the main point of writing an introduction, a good introduction has three parts to it. First is general statement, second is paraphrasing the question, and third is your opinion. You should always write your opinion in the introduction. Remember, because if you write your opinion later, the reader will try to find out what is the opinion. He or she might not be able to find your opinion in all the clutter. So it is best to write your opinion in the introduction only. And moreover, it also gives the reader the opportunity to understand what you are going to write in the forthcoming paragraphs. Okay? If you write your opinion later, like after your body paragraph 1, okay, the reader will not go through or will not think about your opinion. He or she will be trying to find your opinion in the myriad of all these words that you have written. Okay, so let's begin it. So the question states here, when choosing a job, the salary is the most important consideration. Do you agree or disagree? So what is the question saying? That salary is the most important part when you consider a job. Do you agree or disagree? So first we have to write about job. Okay? Job, another word for job is employment. So we have to write about introduction. What does employment mean? How it plays a vital role? So etc. So in this statement, for this question I have written employment plays a vital role in every individual's life. So I have covered what the general statement. Okay. Now paraphrasing the question. What does paraphrasing mean? First understand this. Paraphrasing means to write the question in your words. What is the juice of the question? What does it entail with? So like this question is asking whether salary is the most important criteria when you choose a job. Okay, this is the meat of the question. So I have paraphrased it in this way. Remuneration is the most significant parameter when selecting a profession. Profession, job, remuneration, salary. Most important, significant parameter. You highlight the more important part of the questions and try to paraphrase them and then join them in a cohesive statement. See, job, profession, salary, remuneration. Most important, significant parameter. Okay? Now, the third part, which is your opinion. What is your opinion? Some opinion is like or dislike. Do I like this or do I dislike this? Do I like ice creams or do I dislike ice creams? Do I like receiving gifts or not? Do I like giving away gifts or not? Some people like giving away gifts, some people dislike it. Do I agree that I should give gifts or do I disagree that someone should give away gifts or not? Okay? So in this, so in opinion, I can agree or disagree. I can agree that remuneration does play or is the most vital thing for before choosing a job? Or I can disagree. No, remuneration is not the most important part when choosing a job. Passion. Some people join a workplace because they are passionate about that field. Okay, so for example, let's say many people join the army because they are passionate about joining the army. They are passionate about working for their country. While some people believe that no, there are other jobs, there are other opportunities that have more money in them. For example, financial analysts, business analysts, chartered accountants. Okay, so we have to either agree or disagree. Do not make this mistake of saying I partially agree or I partially disagree, because then you have to balance both the opinions in your paragraph, and subsequently your opinion will never come out because you are trying to balance everything, right? So best thing is to either fully agree or to either fully disagree. Okay? So when I say to agree or disagree, I mean that you can either choose to date one girl or the other girl. You cannot date two girls at the same time at the same place, because if you do that, you will get the beating of your life. Okay? So either date Meena or Seema, but do not date them both. Do not date both of them at the same time at the same place. Okay? Or in the subsequent videos, we'll go in depth and right try to make point for the body paragraph as well as the conclusion. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button